up, online shoppers? Are you looking for a way to take your basic meals from simple to brilliant? Well, think about starting your meals with the Caravel Gourmet smoke-infused sea salt set. These incredible sea salts were gifted to me by the brand, and let's open them up and see what they're like. But I want to start off first by pointing out that these ingredients were thoughtfully, carefully selected for your culinary pleasure. And as a quick preview to the inside, smoked bacon chipotle, smoked garlic onion, smoked alderwood, smoked garlic, and smoked cherrywood sea salt. This adorable little gift set makes a great gift for mom and dad, for kids, for culinary friends, for teachers, caregivers, and as housewarming gifts. Let's open it up. There is the contents of the gift box, and I gotta say, I love the way it looks. You can see that the salts are a unique blend of different ingredients to bring out these really unique smoky flavors. Let's open them up and see how they taste. Now this one here is smoked garlic. Natural sea salt smoked over alderwood and garlic. Now when I opened up this box, immediately all I can think of is the most delicious barbecue restaurant. I definitely get the smoke. Now let's see if it finishes with the garlic. This is definitely garlicky. Now I can see myself adding this on top of garlic bread just before I pop it into the barbecue to get that really nice charred smoke flavor. Delicious. What do they say? Everything is better with bacon. So let's see if this smoked sea salt with bacon measures up. I definitely smell the bacon. Bacon. This would be great on roasted vegetables or even sprinkled on top of a garlic bread, a Caesar salad, just to bring that spice up to the next level. Now this one here is smoked cherrywood, natural sea salt smoked over cherrywood. Most of the salts in this sampler box are very, very fine. Yes, yes. It's really quite incredible that wood actually tastes like the fruit it bears. And this, you can definitely pick up the notes of cherry in this smoked cherrywood sea salt. The next one on my list here is seasoned alderwood, which is just natural sea salt smoked over the wood of an alder tree. Here is the smoked alderwood. Now this is a little bit more coarse salt. It's really interesting that each one of these smokes, when you change up the wood that the salt is smoked over, is different. You wouldn't think that a smoked salt could taste different from one from the other, but it definitely does. Now, smoked bacon chipotle, right there. Sea salt over alderwood, natural bacon flavor, chipotle pepper, and gum arabic. Now I have used this one before because I did also receive another sampler box of the natural infused. And the difference between this one and just bacon smoked one is you do get that peppery after finish. And again, I love this on my Caesar salads. And finally, this one here is the smoked garlic and onion. I love the look of this one. It just looks really interesting in the container. You can see the big chunks of garlic and onion in here. Yes. The garlic, the onion, they all come through. It's beautiful. That was my first taste of this Caravel Gourmet smoked sea salt sampler. I have tried a couple of them before. Chipotle bacon is one that I definitely love and use on my garlic bread and Caesar salads all the time. But these can also be clever finishers for sauces, seafoods, and even cocktails. So if you're looking for a great gift idea for your favorite culinary expert, or maybe a unique housewarming gift or teacher appreciation gift, you've got to check out these Caravel Gourmet smoke-infused sea salt samplers. It's a great way to add bold flavor to your meals, and it's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.